Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Temu seller account. Okay, so first things first, guys, if you want to start selling on Temu, you need to register as a seller. You can do this by visiting the Temu website. Just go to the Temu website or the Temu Seller Center, and you want to look for the Sell on Temu or Become a Seller option. Click on that option, guys, and they're going to ask you to fill in a registration form. You're going to complete this form with your personal and business details, including things like your company name, your contact information, and tax details. And then, of course, guys, you want to choose your application path. So you have two application paths. You have the faster route, which is the Pinduoduo seller. So if you're already a seller on Pinduoduo, which is Temu's parent company, this might actually be a quicker option for you. You want to look for options within your seller dashboard to actually register for the cross-border sales on Temu. Or you can do a direct Temu application, because if you're new to Temu or you prefer actually having a separate account, you can contact Temu directly by emailing them at this email, seller@temu.com, and you want to express your interest in becoming a seller, and you want to request a seller code in your email. So guys, after submitting your registration, Temu will basically review your application, and this process actually may take a few days, and then they're going to send you a seller code on your email, and they will ask you to submit some verification documents. So be prepared to upload those documents to basically verify your business and your product compliance. They'll ask you things like your business license, your tax ID, or product certifications if there's actually applicable. Then, of course, guys, you want to go ahead and set up your seller profile. Okay, go to the seller portal and go to the seller sign up section and use your provided seller code to create your account, fill in the application form, and then you're going to basically go ahead and customize your storefront. Put in a name, logo, branding elements, and you can have some profile details, high quality images, give some detailed description of your business, and any other unique selling points that can actually set you apart from your competitors. Then, guys, of course, you want to go ahead and list your products, optimize your listings, and you can start selling. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.